Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon got Odin's eye box this month and I did not.
Yes. Look how beautiful this box is.
Always.
So it was $65. We just looked on the website. Apparently it's gone. So if you didn't get it, I'm sorry.
If you didn't get it,
I don't know how many items are in there. I don't know anything about this box except that somebody said it was coming and I went in.
it is always wrapped so nicely. I just talked to Tammy today about what's in here and some good stuff.
I'm glad I didn't keep the messenger.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do.
Okay, let's do this.
Are we doing a Jeffree Star singles moment?
Yes, it appears that way.
I wish I had a magnetic palette from them.
You don't have, oh, from them, yeah.
Oh, some Christmas guys.
Wow.
I've got one of these and it's almost this color, but not. So, okay. These are the Odin Eyes Jewel Shine eyeshadows. They have names. They have numbers. This is, oh, Burry. They're sealed, so I'm not going to open it. It's kind of a green. I have one like this that's shimmer.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then these two. This is Hela and Thor.
Oh.
So we've got a purple and then like it's almost like a wine color, but look at that shift on it.
Is that green?
Yeah, like a green or gold.
Very pretty.
Yeah. I only got 3 Christmas guys. These are Little Star.
That's beautiful.
Matcha cookies.
Oh, you like that?
Mm-hmm. And New Year. Really pretty green shimmer.
Very pretty.
Yeah, those are fun. I'm going to have to get a palette for
Yes, for sure.
Okay, this is Alpha 3 Fairy Wishes Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Vintage Fuchsia. Cellophaned. It's sticking to me.
I don't know if I think that's necessary.
Cellophane in it?
Yeah.
It is kind of nice. You know,
I mean, you definitely know it's not tampered with.
Yeah. This is pretty.
Ooh, that's very pretty.
It's got like a little fairy on it. Vintage Fuchsia.
Fuchsia?
Oh, look at the tag.
Yeah.
And the tag on the box is...
It might not be... That's incredibly beautiful.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's pretty. Holy smokes. Okay. Soft candy.
But barely.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
And that's matte?
That's matte. And it went on almost like a cream.
Yeah. It looks like velvety.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very pretty.
Ooh. 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 Oh, this is the same line. So the Fairy Wishes. Shine Lip Gloss in the color Apricot Whisper. Odin's Eye does some crazy colors, so it's nice to that they're putting wearables.
Definitely.
I mean, I would probably wear the crazy colors, but not everybody would. So this is what the little tagger looks like.
Pretty. Packaging is gorgeous.
Ooh.
Oh, that's orangey. Okay. Same type of flavor. Ooh. That surprised me. So that's going to look pretty layered with that. I know that that's not your idea of a lip, but that is going to look really pretty.
I see your vision.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is from the same line. This is another shine lip gloss in Tawny Rose, which looks brown. So this might go home with you.
Perfect.
And if I use that orange and I don't like it, it might go home with you.
Perfect.
The cellophane is sticking.
Yeah. The packaging is just breathtaking.
Same.
A pretty ombre.
Yeah, this is full poopy brown.
Okay, so I need a red or a pink.
Pink, yeah. Here.
Thank you.
I definitely won't use that.
No, I know you wouldn't. Very pretty. Okay.
Ooh.
This looks like a highlight.
This is Odin's Eye Soul Mane to Sunlight Love Blusher.
Oh.
Is that maybe a blush
Like
light?
a blush light, it sounds like, yeah.
The color Lilac Mist.
Maybe it's going to be like a purple pink. I'm excited.
Didn't want to do that. Right to the box. How pretty the box is.
Box is gorgeous. Why did that sound like that?
I don't know. It sounded like something in there was...
Broken?
Yeah. It's in there tight. I can tell you that much.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh.
It was probably this thing.
That's gorgeous.
I don't think it looks like a blush light.
No.
And I don't think it looks like lilac.
It looks like a deep mauve-y. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, you're gonna love that. How exciting.
This package is so pretty.
And that threw me off because I was like, oh gosh, it's gold.
Yeah.
Pinky gold.
It's definitely not a blush light though. It's just a blush.
Yeah, very pretty.
This is from the same line, but this is the Moonlight Feel highlighter in the color Light Glory. This one looks more like lilac.
Yes.
I do love a highlighter.
I know.
So much cellophane.
All of it. "82 years later."
Insert the SpongeBob thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, yep. So this one has a moon on it. So it's the sun and the moon.
Aww. That's cute.
Light Glory.
Okay.
Look at this.
We're speechless.
Oh, and it is not an overspray. It's truly that color. Look at that. Wow. They're not playing.
No, they were not messing around.
Not playing.
Holy cow. For us both to be speechless is something.
I know the camera didn't pick up how truly beautiful that was when I opened it.
No. This is Big Daddy. This is Big
That's the
Daddy.
last item?
It is.
Okay. This is this matches the box.
Yes, it does.
This is the Ice Crystal palette.
And Tammy was loving this.
Is Shannon gonna love this?
I know.
Tammy, tell us your prediction before I open it. Am I gonna love this? Okay, so it's the same underneath. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. It's interesting. Like,
it's confusing to me.
This color story doesn't make a lot of sense. I agree. But
there is definitely some show-stopping colors in there.
You can do a lot with this palette. This is like a...
But I don't think that that's a palette that you can pull out by itself. It's got to have an assist palette.
I don't know.
Holy smokes. You guys, you don't understand what's happening here. Those shimmers.
So I'm only swatching shimmers. Like, we all know what a matte looks like, but every brand does shimmers a little bit different.
This one is shifting green.
And pink and orange.
Oh,
that
my
one.
goodness. All right, this palette's it's prettier than I gave it credit for at first. Ooh.
Ooh. I want to put that eye chlamydia on my eye.
It's like yellow shifting green, blue shifting purple, pink.
Did I do that one already?
Don't matter. Give her a swatch.
Okay. I did that one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Those ones are more like toppers.
Yeah.
Yes. Do I love the color story? Maybe not, because it's a little disjointed. Like, this color is a almost black shimmer, like gunmetal.
Like a purple, yeah.
And then this is like a pink, gold, yellow shimmer. Like, they don't make a lot of sense together, but there is a matte to go with every shimmer.
Yep.
So you could do a lot of different looks with this palette. I wish there was more of a black matte, because this...
Or a true brown and not a gray brown.
Yeah. I mean, these are pretty, and I'm going to use them, but it's not...
Oh, kind of patchy.
Well, I also didn't, like, try to swatch it good.
Okay, that was better.
They're pretty. But I wish the mattes were a little different. Like,
it needs a true brown.
And a black.
It needs a true black. It needs like a skin toned transition color.
Because the closest you have for that is this orange, which is it's definitely orange.
Which I live for, but not everybody can use that as a transition. I think the palette is beautiful, but again, I think you have to pull out like a matte, neutral palette.
Like Orgy?
Like Orgy would be a great assist palette for that, yeah. Or Orgy too.
Or Cremated.
Yeah, but you're going smoky, and I don't try not to do that.
But
yes,
that's what
for
I do,
you,
so.
yes.
Yeah, I think it is really pretty though.
It's like, very pretty.
It's like you're getting all the seasons in one package.
Absolutely.
Okay.
The color story is really disjointed for me.
Yeah, it definitely is disjointed.
Oh my goodness. Let there be light. What did you think about this box, Shannon Marie?
$65. 3 lip products, a blush and a highlight, a very large palette, and 6 singles.
Yeah, for $65.
So we're going to count these as one item. So 7 items, $65, less than $9 an item.
Yeah.
Or $9 an item.
Yeah.
Ish. I can't be mad at that because they're beautiful items. So
for me, the highlight is not for me, but it is definitely the hero. Yes. I've never seen anything like it. I was scared immediately. Like, this is more showy than Fenty Trophy Wife.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
I'll be glowing,
crazy.
showy, and holy all at one time.
I am so excited for this moment for you.
I wish it would really show up on camera.
It's really hard to pick up.
It's so pretty. It's like orange, pink, gold. It's all the things.
It's like copper, gold,
Yeah.
bronze. So
I love it.
I know.
Yes.
Yes. If you got this box, you won.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I would rate this better than the last Odin side box.
Yeah. This is definitely memorable.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember what you got in the last Odin's box.
I got a hot pink blush, some singles, an eyeshadow palette.
Same type of situation.
Yeah.
It just didn't stand out to me.
Yeah. It wasn't this.
Yeah. So, did you guys get in on this box? Did you love it? Are you going to wear that highlight?
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.